Good morning, kids. In last period, we have seen how to format our text, and even we have seen how to give background color and border to the page and how to change it. Today we will see how to give border to the text and how to give shading effect to the text, and also we will see insert menu. Insert menu means how to insert word art, clip art, and how to insert table in our document. That all we will see. First of all, I will increase the font size so that you can see the text very well. Now here I am writing only computer. Okay, I have written here computer. I will raise the font size of this text. Okay, now see, last time we have seen how to give border and shading to the page. Today we will see how to give border and shading to the text. I want to give border and shading to the text, not to the whole page. For that purpose, first upon you have to select the text. How to select the text? See, this is my I-beam. I-beam means mouse pointer. This mouse pointer I will take in front of the text. I will press and hold the first button of mouse, that is the left button, and I will drag. Okay, then you will get one blue color background, somebody will get gray color, green color, whatever. That background is called as a selection. Okay, now see, again go to click on that page layout and here page border. Okay, last time we have seen page border. This time we will see only border. Click on border and here click on box. Then which type of design you want for border, you can select that design, and even you can choose the color also. Suppose I want this one. Okay, and you can change the width of that border also. Okay, I will take this one, and here only shading effect is there. From this, see here, no color. Click here, then whichever color you want you can take it. Now I will take this little bit dark so you can see. Okay, now click on OK button. See, I have given border and shading effect to the text. Okay, once again I will show you how to do it. I will write something over here. Okay, and I will raise the font size of this text so you can see. Again go to page layout, page border, and here only border. Okay, then select border type whichever you want, and color I will take this one, and here click on shading, and whichever shading color you want to give you can give, and click on OK. Okay, like this way we can give border and shading to our text. Now let us see how to insert a shape in our document. First upon, click on insert menu, and here shape we have to insert, so click on shapes. See, one drop down arrow is there. Click on that drop down arrow. Whichever shape you want you can take it, means only you have to click on that, and then you will get one plus sign over here. Press mouse first button, that is the left button, press it and hold it and drag it. Okay, see, this is your shape. When you click on that shape, when you double click on that shape, you will get this drawing toolbar. Okay, or formatting toolbar. Whichever color you want to fill in that shape you can fill. Even you want to change the shape, then you can change its shape also. Okay, then shape outline. This is the width. you can change the shape outline width. If you want to change the color of that outline, then you can change the color of that outline. Everything you have to do from the shape outline only. Then shape outline and color also will change. Okay, this is for shape. If you don't want, then click on that and press delete button from your keyboard. It will be deleted. Then again click on insert and here clip art. If you want to insert picture, then click on clip art. Then you will get such type of screen. You will get such type of dialog box. Click here, organize clip. Then you will get such type of dialog box. Here office collection. Click in front of the plus sign. Then there are many options, whichever you want, click on that. See, plus sign means inside that folder something is there. You have to click on that plus sign. See, now I have taken this one. Now I want this picture. First of all, you click on that picture and then click on that arrow. Then copy, then close it. Click on S. And here when you come to your original page, that time right click and click on paste button. See, your picture is here. You can increase or decrease the size of that picture also. You cannot change the color of that picture, but you can give some, see, double click on that. See, you can give border to that picture. Okay, then you can change the border color. Okay, then picture effect, shadow, glow, whichever effects are there, you can use it. Just you see here, glow effect I have given, so the red color shading it came to that picture. Okay, like this you can insert picture, you can resize it, you can make it small or large, medium, whatever you want. Now see here, one handle is there, green color. If you click on that handle, otherwise if you take your mouse pointer on that handle, then there will be one arrow, and with the help of that arrow you can rotate your shape or picture also. Okay, like this. Again, if you don't want, then click on that picture and press delete. It will be deleted. Then again here one more option is that insert word art. If I want to write my text in different manner, in design manner, then click on this word art. See, there are different types of different shapes, different types of handwriting. Suppose I want this one, then I will click on that, and whatever you want to write in that. Now I will write computer. For giving heading, we can use this word art. And even you can change the font. Select it, whichever font you want, you can take it from here. Suppose I will take this. If you want to increase the size, then you can increase, bold, italic, whatever effect you want, you can give and click on OK. See, this is my word art. Okay, suppose if you want to change it, then you can change it from here. See here, whichever design you will select. Suppose it is okay, I will click on OK. Then even shape, fill shape. Which color do you want? That color you can insert. Even outline, you can change the outline color, outline border. Okay, and if you want to change the shape, then see here, you can change the shapes also. Whichever, however you want, you can take it. Okay, then today what you have to do, type one paragraph on my computer and use all formatting options, and also give page border and page color and border to the text, color to the text, background color to the text, and also use word art, insert shapes and insert clip art. All these things today you have to do it. Okay, thank you.